Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best high-waist black yoga leggings available right now. The IUGA high-waist yoga pants with pockets. These leggings are making waves in the fitness world, and after testing them out ourselves, we're ready to break down why they're earning top marks across the board. Let's start with comfort. When you first put on the IUGA leggings, the buttery soft texture immediately stands out. These aren't just any leggings. The fabric is a smart blend of 77% polyester and 23% spandex. That combination creates an ultra-stretchy, four-way stretch feel that adapts to your every move. Whether you're holding a yoga pose or powering through a HIIT session. These leggings are crafted with a sculpting high waistband that hugs your midsection just right. It doesn't dig in or roll down, it simply supports and smooths. The result is a flattering silhouette with excellent tummy control. Whether you're at the gym, working from home, or running errands, they provide a sleek, streamlined look with zero fuss. But what sets these apart from other leggings is functionality. These IUGA leggings come with not one, but two deep side pockets. They're discreet yet spacious enough to hold your phone, keys, or even a small wallet. No more juggling your essentials or needing to carry a bag on quick runs or walks. Let's also talk about performance. These leggings wick away moisture efficiently. That means even during intense sessions, you stay dry and comfortable. And thanks to the quality stitching and durable fabric, they retain their shape and feel wash after wash, making them a reliable staple in your wardrobe. So, to sum it up, if you're looking for leggings that blend comfort, function, and style effortlessly, the IUGA high-waist yoga pants with pockets are a clear winner. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just want something cozy for your daily routine, these leggings are the real deal. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns every week. See you in the next video.